Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. So the topic is India's Russian oil cuts predate US tariffs, says data. Now, government data shows that India had already started reducing its imports of Russian oil before the US imposed new tariffs on it. So the fall in Russian oil imports is not because of US pressure but because of India's own planning. Now let's understand what actually happened. US has imposed 25% additional tariff on countries buying Russian oil, but India has already cut Russian oil imports in previous months. Now India's imports fell months earlier. Why? Because according to the government trade data in September 2025, India's Russian oil imports were 29% lower in value and 17% lower in volume. Now, compared to September 2024, India reduced imports in 8 out of 10 months. Now, months with big cuts include February, May, June, July and September. Some months saw more than 20% reduction also. Now, why was India reducing Russian oil? See, because Indian officials felt dependence on Russian oil had become too high. Price fluctuations were risky. India wanted a balanced energy strategy. India was already planning a diversification. This shows India's reduction was a strategic decision, not a reaction to American tariffs. Now, this was the part of the bigger strategy which has been mentioned in this. See, let us talk about some data and facts. Previous 10 months up to September 2025 compared with the corresponding period of 2024. In 5 of these months, February, May, June, July, September, we have already discussed this, the cuts exceeded 20% each. India has known for a while now that it depended on Russian imports and had grown too high, and so it was already working on a plan to reduce this. An official on this Ministry of Commerce and Industry told the Hindu on the condition of anonymity. Now, you can also look at the data. The data has been given September 2024 to December 2024, March 2025, June 2025 and September 2025. You can go through this data. Now, let us understand what is the key takeaway. India reduced Russian oil imports by choice, not due to US pressure. The US tariff had just happened later. Let us understand the UPSC relevance of this topic. Now, it is again very important for GS2, which is international relations. Because India-US trade relations have been discussed, India-Russia Energy Corporation has been discussed, then GS3 economy perspective, energy security, oil import diversification, then again GS3 environment and security, importance of energy mix, and then it becomes very important for essay paper also. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.